everybody, it's me, Sissy. And that's Dottie barking because I'm holding Peanut. This is my sweet Peanut boy. Say hey. This is my sweet boy. I love him. And Dottie's having a fit because she thinks you're not supposed to touch any dog but her. But I love my Peanut boy. He was a rescue, as all my dogs are rescues. But he's the sweetest baby in the world. Aren't you, sweet boy? So anyway, I got a Dollar Tree haul for y'all, so stay tuned. So I've got a lot of stuff here. Mostly, it's kind of unusual for me. A lot of it is food, and then some other stuff, some craft stuff, and some wish list stuff. So we're going to start with the thing that I love the most that I found this week, and I've been looking for. I got the cute So Fresh, So Clean hand towels and washcloths.
That's pretty.
Isn't that pretty? Mama likes them. Nana likes them, so they're Nana approved. And I got the cute darker one with the bathtub that says relax on it, and the Maxion washcloths. The only one that I couldn't get was the one with the little ducky on it that said rub-a-dub, which was really, really cute, but I couldn't find those, so I'm still on the lookout for those. My sister went to a different town, and she said she found the towels, but no washcloths. But and it's early Sunday morning here. I got this stuff yesterday, but it was a busy day, so I didn't get the video done, but we're going to get it done now. So now let's get to the food. I got some of these Bud's Best Cookies vanilla wafers. I've got these for Mommy to try to see if she likes those. And then we got Mommy some little Dutch made butter ring cookies. You see a pattern here. Mama likes cookies.
Yeah,
she loves cookies. And she's already into these. It's the individual packs. Trying to do a little portion control, but of the iced animal crackers vanilla flavor, to get 6 bags in here. So she's eaten 2 so far, but anyway. Okay, and let's see. Mama loves her Crunch a Munch. Buttery toffee popcorn with peanuts, so that's a good deal there. And more cookies. I do feed her other foods beside cookies, but she loves her cookies. Her vanilla cream cookies. There's nothing wrong with some cookies and some coffee in the morning, so.
It's a lovely day.
It's just a lovely way to start the day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all don't think all I do is feed this woman sweets, but I don't really. I feed her good, hearty meals, but I got her some Pop-Tarts. Toast them, not Pop-Tarts, these are Pop-Ups, but you know, when I used to eat these, I don't eat these anymore because they're so carby, but these, I can't tell the difference between these and regular Pop-Tarts, Kellogg's Pop-Tarts. I think these are just as good, if not better. And then for my son, I got these mug cakes. I got the mocha cake and the buttermilk pancake. He likes these, and I think, what do you just add? What you add water, but he makes his, he actually puts almond milk in it instead of water. He made the mistake of trying to make one and use my heavy cream. He put that in there, and that doesn't work. You can't substitute heavy cream for water. So, but almond milk gives it a nice rich flavor, so he likes that. And then I got him some of these nacho cheese dips. This is a great snack. You can add just a little bit of meat to this and some tomatoes and lettuce, and you got a meal.
I couldn't get no.
You didn't like it? No?
I didn't.
Yeah, no. Yeah, you didn't like it.
I didn't even know what it was.
Yeah, you didn't know what it was? Well, that's okay. That's okay. And then I got a little bag of Planters peanuts. I like to eat these sometimes for a snack.
Yeah.
Except for, I didn't realize, I know peanuts are kind of like low carb, but I didn't realize there were 4 servings in here. That's 5 carbs a serving, so I've like been overdoing those, so I got to cut back on those. I got this cute coffee and donuts tote organizer. I have a purse from Walmart that I love, but it's just one big bag. Everything's jumbled up in it, so I thought I would kind of organize it a little bit with that. But that was cute. They had a lot of pretty patterns. And it had a good zipper on it. I always check the zippers because a lot of things, the zippers are not good. And speaking of zippers, I got 3 more of these little cosmetic bags. These are going to be for like a combo DIY gift bag thingy. That should be coming up shortly. And I'm going to embellish it using my Cricut. So I think I got the screen capture thing working on my computer. So I'll be able to show you. Yeah, I'll be able to show you how I do that. So that's coming up. And then I got some whoops, making a mess. I got the Reach mint waxed dental floss to have at work. You know, sometimes you get to work and you just need some dental floss. And if you around here the mornings are kind of crazy, and some mornings I get to work and I'll be going like, did I brush my teeth? You know, sometimes you're in a hurry and you forget, or you meant to go back and you didn't. But anyway, I got the little travel toothbrush and toothpaste to put at work so that that never happens again. And same thing, I got some, let's see, where is it in here? I got the little sample size deodorant, because I have gotten to work and gone, did I put on deodorant? You've got to do the little sniff test to see if you have, so this will be a lifesaver. And, okay, some organization, the 3 little baskets for $1. You can't beat that. And those are just the, it says basket. That's it. Just 3 little white baskets. They have them in different colors and stuff. I got a bag in my bag. Oh, this was cute. This is the little Floral Garden 4-piece chalkboard stakes. These are cute. These are coming up for a DIY. I hope to have up soon. And I got this cute little red spatula because, where is it? I got the cute little red spatula because I got this cute little non-stick frying pan. These were at Walmart on clearance for $1. I know that one time they might have had these at the Dollar Tree, but my Dollar Tree never got any. But this is the perfect size to make one little individual skillet pizza, or you can, when I make my taco shells out of cheese, this is a perfect size. I can just put it in here and melt it and make a taco shell. But I got a cute little spatula to go with it, because it fits right in there. The big one wouldn't fit. So, and what else I got in this bag? Oh, I got some Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Lip Balm. Get rid of those chapped lips. And I got these multi-purpose clips. I use these for bag clips, chip clips. The plastic ones you get, they're always breaking, but these will not break. They will last forever. So I love these, and you get 6 for $1. And they're really strong and sturdy. So, and then let's see, I got my makeup removing cleansing towelettes. I love these much better than the Bolero ones. The Bolero ones might smell nice and everything, but they don't do anything for removing makeup as far as I'm concerned. And then I got the Lavender Vanilla Scent Toilet Spray. This is very good. And I got my usual Tide to add to my LA Awesome to fortify my detergent. So that does good. And my zipper storage bags. I love these ones with the slide on them, just so you can make sure that it's zipped. And I got some, I'm going to give this a try, the Daily Defense Body Wash. Mango Tango with Pro Vitamin B5. It smells really good, so we're going to give that a try. I usually like to buy my Dove, but, you know, it's kind of pricey, and you know, every penny counts, so we're going to give this a try and see. Speaking of trying things, on my last haul, I hauled the Palmolive dishwashing liquid. Smelled fabulous. Did not work for me at all. I couldn't stand it. So this week we're going to try the Ultra Ajax Vinegar and Lime, and I will let you know how I like that. But the Palmolive, just, it was so thin, it was like no suds. I just didn't like it. I got some more of the Crafter Square storage containers. These are the smaller ones. I got some, my last haul, they were the larger ones. You got 6 for $1. This you get 8 for $1, and they're a little bit smaller. I picked up 8 of the Tool Bench paint foam brushes. This is great, especially if you do a decoupage. I can use these and they get stiff or tear up, and I just throw them away so I don't worry about it. And I got, of course, my doggy poop bags. And a little jar of Junior Bear. And then, you know, and don't be fooled, this is not honey. This is honey flavored syrup. So, it is actually corn syrup is the first ingredient. So it's not really honey, but it tastes like honey. And we don't really use that much of it. It's for my son, so he likes to make homemade barbecue sauce and put that in it. And I got the Works Basic toilet bowl cleaner. This is not my favorite. This works well. I do like this, but I like the one in the green package, CRL or something like that. No, Lime Away. Lime Away, that's what it's called. Lime Away toilet bowl cleaner. They didn't have any this week, so this one works good too, so I got that. And then I got some of these really cute storage totes. I got the blue and the pink. I'm kind of trying to organize my craft room, so I got these. And if I ever get it organized, you might see it one day, but it is a total mess right now, so nobody's going to see it. But anyway, that's my Dollar Tree haul. If I got time, I will have a DIY of today, too. We just have to see. We got a lot going on, don't we, Mommy? Yeah. We got a lot going on today.
Yeah.
Yeah, so. But anyway, y'all have a good day. Get out there, go shopping, buy some stuff at Dollar Tree. Get some ideas. They got all kind of pretty fall stuff, but I just am not ready to do the fall stuff yet. But I do have, and I'm going to get it up before the end of July so I can call it Christmas in July. I do have a DIY coming up, so y'all stay tuned for that. But anyway, remember, Sissy can do it. Y'all can do it too. Get out there and do something fun. Go shopping. Y'all have a great day. Bye.